Hi, this is David Azimi.
This is Isaac Solorio.
I'm super excited to present to you 5 Sky Terrace in Danville, California. This beautiful property offers a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, sitting at a 1.4 acre of a lot size. Isaac, tell me about this property a little bit.
David, this property does not get better than location-wise. This is Danville, California, heart of it all. Minutes away from downtown shopping, downtown entertainment, and downtown living. I mean, really, this is the place you want to be, and this is the place we're at today.
Wow, well, you said it so well, Isaac. I'm so pumped. Let's go take a tour and let the audience tell us what they think. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of this beautiful property, 5 Sky Terrace in Danville, California. If you have any further questions, you could reach me or Isaac at the numbers via text, email, or a quick phone call. But before I go, I have one quick question for Isaac. Anything else you want to share?
David, well, besides this property being in the heart of a very great location, desirable city, it has top-rated schools, so it's very perfect for a family that has young kids or wants to, be in an environment where they can learn and grow.
Wow, you said it so well. Now the next thing we're gonna say, like always we say, catch you on the next one.